Seaport 21 is a port engineering consultancy company focused on ship operation and maritime safety. We started in Madrid, Spain in 1999, so we have already 17 years service to the port and maritime sector. The company runs a sophisticated simulation center where we carry out technical studies and training programs for seafarers. And just like the maritime business, our activity is global, so international projects mean up to 80% of our income and extend to 40 different countries in 4 continents. Regarding LNG terminals, Seaport 21 has worked in several outstanding aspects, starting from the design of the terminals to the analysis of operations, risk assessment and training of pilots, captains and topmasters. Based on the very relevant experience of 8 LNG terminals in Spain, we have developed numerous studies of international projects. Right now we have worked in 21 conventional terminals around the world and 20 more involving the innovative FSRU technology. This is floating storage and regasification units. In particular, the company participated in the startup of Bahía Blanca LNG terminal in Argentina. This was the first commercial project in the world. It was based in Accelerate and XMAR regas technology, both regarding regas vessels and ship-to-ship LNG transfer.
Simulator is also very good. I think it's high-tech and for our daily job is really useful. So especially these 2 ports in Argentina, they are very tricky. So, and it's demanding for the whole ship crew, especially for the masters. And this helps us a lot.
Now we have taken part in projects, similar projects in Panama, Lithuania, Pakistan, Brazil, Argentina, etc. We have also analyzed the access of largest LNG carriers in the world, Q-Flex and Q-Max, to different terminals. This started with Bilbao, the first port outside Qatar to receive a Q-Max, but then followed Barcelona, Sagunto and other ports. Qatargas and Rasgas have requested the support of Seaport 21 for the projects in many cases, and we have a very fruitful cooperation. In our experience, the best advantage of simulator studies is the opportunity to collect together all participants in an LNG terminal project. So this results in a more efficient and safe project.
The aim of these trainings is that the trainees get a specific knowledge of the conditions of a specific port, not only related to meteorological conditions, but also the use of tags and the procedures that pilots perform during maneuvers. On this way, what we will get is a much better cooperation between pilots and the bridge team. Seaport 21 Training Center is certified by DNV GL, and it is approved not only for design projects but also for specific training of pilots and seafarers. Our trainings are mostly practical, and after a brief presentation of the project we start with the training, and then trainees come to our bridge simulators where they develop the specific maneuver. After every maneuver there is a debriefing session during which every aspect of this last maneuver is commented and explained.
First of all, it's simulator, and you are aware that it's simulator. So, even if you make a mistake, nothing will happen. So it's better to make mistake here than when we are on the ship.
Experience, and more experience, and more skill for to make decision for when I on board the real ship. When it's an extreme situation, we get this experience from Seaport 21.
Our simulator center consists of 3 real-time simulators, 1 full mission bridge and 2 smaller bridges. They can work independently, but they also can work in a separate way. This allows to work our tag masters to operate tags assisting the main bridge during the simulations. The bridge instrument includes all the elements required for any maneuvers. We also can modify meteorological conditions and visibility conditions. Our company is able to build any virtual port, including the bathymetry, meteorological information, the port layout, and the ship designed for the port. After many years, we have hundreds of international ports in our database, including LNG terminals. Our numerical fleet is very extensive and it counts with many different kinds of vessels. We count with more than 200 LNG numerical models with different tank configurations and sister propulsions. The challenge for us consists of giving the proper answer to our clients in the required time.
We are working on the vessels which are exact prototype of the actual vessel that we are on. So every maneuver, every situation, every reaction on the situation is as close as it could be. Very, very useful, and I'm very happy to be here.
Up to now, Cyport 21 has presented more than 340 different trainings involving around 1,100 captains and officers of all over the world, including most important maritime nationalities in Europe and in Asia. Taking about LNG business, around 28 different owners and shipping companies have requested our trainings in different terminals in Argentina, Mexico and Spain. From the Cyport 21 side, all these crews provide a very interesting knowledge of real maritime operations and how they deal with real situation that we can transmit for the following trainings.
The PTT LNG, we do the business of the LNG terminal in Thailand. This is the safety is very important for us. That's why we select to have a simulation section for LNG at the seaport. It's really useful for the safety point of view and for our terminal as well. And also we take the pilot and also marine department from Thailand to here to learn about the simulation and how to manage the LNG ship to our terminal. I think very good experience here.
The LNG sector is clearly the most demanding in terms of safety, so detailed comprehensive studies must be developed for each particular project regarding risk assessment and training. The methodology we apply is extending step by step to other maritime terminals, such as containers or cruise terminals. We have the chance to cooperate with very relevant professionals and companies around the world. I would like to emphasize that this can all be done successfully as a team job, requiring perfect coordination and enthusiastic work. Cyport 21 wants to thank operators, shipping companies, port and maritime authorities for the confidence. We are sincerely proud to participate in such relevant international projects and cooperate to achieve safe and efficient projects.